morning, students. How are you? Okay. So, student, today I am going to discuss about a chapter rational number for class 8. I have already done a video about a rational number, but today I am going to making a video for standard 8. So student, what is rational number? A number which can be written in the form of p by q. A number which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integer. Where p and q are integer. But student, remember q not equal to 0. 0 is also integer, but q not equal to 0 is called a rational number. Is it clear? कोई भी नंबर जो p by q के फॉर्म में हो, जहां पर कि q 0 नहीं हो और p और q क्या है, इंटीजर हो, तो उन्हें ऐसे नंबर को हम लोग रैशनल नंबर कहते हैं. Is it clear? Now we can define the rational number in the another way. How can we define? Look here. All integer together with fraction including decimal and all integer together with fraction including decimal are called rational. मतलब क्या कहता है? all integer that means negative integer, positive integer, zero also with fraction, और साथ ही साथ जितने भी फ्रैक्शन हो, लाइक फ्रैक्शन, अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन, इंक्लूडिंग डेसिमल, इवन की डेसिमल भी हो, ये सारे के सारे नंबर क्या कहलाते हैं? रैशनल नंबर कहलाते हैं. तो इसमें से इंटीजर क्या है? जैसे 3 is integer, so we can write 3 by 3. It is also a rational number. 1 is equal to what? 3 by 3. So 1 is also a rational number and 3 by 3 is also a rational number. -3 is also a rational number because 1 is hidden here. -3, p is equal to -3 and q is equal to 1. So all the numbers -6 by 7 or -7 by -9, -3, 0, 1, 3 by 3, 6 by 11, etc. All the numbers are called a rational number. Here it is a fraction. We know that there are different type of fraction. All the fractions are rational number. Here integer we have taken some example for integer, and now the decimal. For example 0.5. How can we write 0.5 in the fraction? 5 by 10. Whenever remove the fraction, it will be 5 by 10. It is also a rational number. It is whenever write in a standard form, then 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 1 by 2. So decimal 5 is also a rational number because it is in form of p by q. It is in fraction. So all the numbers that are called rational number. Is it clear? Rational number. Now today we are going to discuss about negative rational number and positive rational number, and after that standard form of a rational number, equivalent rational number and operation on rational number. So now second point is negative rational number and positive rational number. What are negative rational number and positive rational number? Okay. Negative rational number. Negative rational number. नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर में क्या होगा कि आइदर न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर इज नेगेटिव, देन द रैशनल नंबर इज आल्सो अ नेगेटिव. सपोज -2/3, it is a negative rational number. -3/4, it is a negative rational number. 5/-7, it is also a negative. But -5/-7, it is not a negative, it is a positive. So negative rational number, either numerator or denominator will be negative. If both are negative, then it will be positive. So here it is not a negative rational number. So is it clear? Negative rational number. Now therefore positive rational number. So positive rational number, both numerator and denominator are same sign. Same sign means both are positive or both are negative. So the rational number is also a positive. For example, 2/3, both positive, it is a positive. -3/-4, it will be a positive rational number because minus will be cancelled, so it will be a positive rational number. So 7/4 and so on. So both numerator and denominator are positive, or both numerator or denominator are negative, then it will be a positive rational number. So here it is negative rational number and here it is positive rational number. We have taken some example. Now student, what is the standard form of a rational number? The standard form of a rational number, what is this? The standard form of a rational number. A rational number P/Q is said to be in standard form if Q is positive and P and Q have no common factor other than 1. A rational number P/Q is said to be in standard form if Q is positive and P and Q have no common factor other than 1. Then it is said to be a equivalent form. It is said to be a standard form of a रेशनल नंबर. मीन्स व्हाट? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म मीन्स रेशनल नंबर का क्या कह रहा कि कोई भी रेशनल नंबर पी बाई क्यू इस तरह से हो कि क्यू उसका यानी डिनोमिनेटर नाइदर निगेटिव इज पॉजिटिव, वो हमेशा पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. एंड पी एंड क्यू हैव नो कॉमन फैक्टर अदर देन 1, और पी और क्यू में कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर 1/2, it is a standard form of a rational number. Here 1 and 2 both are 2 is positive and 1 and 2 have no common factor. Next -2/3, it is also a standard form because q is positive and p and q have no common factor, 2 और 3 में कोई भी common factor नहीं है. अब here it is -2/6. Is it a standard form? No, it is not a standard form because q is positive but p and q यानी numerator and denominator have a common factor. क्या? 2. दोनों में 2 कॉमन फैक्टर है, इसलिए ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं है. इट इज नॉट इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. -3/4, -3/9, no, it is also not a standard form because it have a common factor 3, so it is also not a standard form. Take another example. -2/-6 या 2/-3 have in standard form? No, it is not in standard form because denominator q is 0, sorry q is negative. यहाँ पर जो है ना q क्या है? निगेटिव है, जबकि q क्या होना चाहिए? पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. Therefore it is also not in standard form. Take another example. 3/-6. It is also not a standard form because here it is denominator is negative and it has a common factor 3. So student, here it is such type of rational number which have neither denominator negative and numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. So there are many examples. 3/4, -5/7, -9/10. So there are many examples we have taken. Okay, so it is clear that standard form of a rational number. Now after that equivalent rational number. What is equivalent rational number? So student, here equivalent rational number. A rational number p/q is said to be equivalent rational number if q is non-zero integer and m is an integer, then p/q is equal to p/q into m, it is called equivalent rational number. A rational number p by q is said to be equivalent rational number if q is non-zero integer. q क्या है? जीरो, नॉन जीरो इंटीजर होना चाहिए और m कोई इंटीजर है एंड m is an integer, then p by q is equal to p into m by q into m, then it is called equivalent rational number. यानी किसी भी रेशनल नंबर में अगर किसी इंटीजर m से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया जाए ऊपर और नीचे यानी न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में, तो वो क्या होगा? इक्विवेलेंट होगा. बट हियर q नॉन जीरो, q क्या होना चाहिए? जीरो नहीं होना चाहिए. एज ए रेशनल नंबर, if p and q are integer, then q not equal to zero, so here it is also q non zero integer होना चाहिए. Take us an example. 1/2. अगर इसमें हम 2 से ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई कर दे देन 2/4. अगेन 1/2 में 3 से ऊपर नीचे अगर मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया जाए 3/6. उसी तरह से 1/2 में अगर 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया जाए तो 4 1 या 4 4 2 जा 8. सो 1/2 इक्वल टू 2/4 इक्वल टू 3/6 equal to 4/8. These are called equivalent rational number. ये सब क्या कहलाएंगे? Equivalent rational number कहलाएंगे, क्योंकि सब क्या है? एक दूसरे के इक्वल है. It will be negative. ये निगेटिव भी हो सकता है. There is no problem, but we should be multiply numerator and denominator with same integer. दोनों सेम इंटीजर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. अगर माइनस से करते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल -2/3, और इसमें अगर हम माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं -2 से, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 4/-6. इट इज ऑल्सो इक्विवेलेंट, बट इट इज नॉट इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, बट इट इज इक्विवेलेंट. इज इट क्लियर? So we have multiplied both numerator and denominator with same integer. So it is clear that what is equivalent fraction. And last, operation of a rational number. Operation of a rational number means what? We are going to operate. That means we are going to operate like cutting, stitching, and such type of activities. No, here it is no, not a operation means cutting, stitching and so on. Here operation means doing a rational number, that means adding, subtracting, multiply, divide. That is called operation of a number, rational number. So first of all, adding. Take two rational number 2/3 and 3/4. We add 3 4 जा 12, 3 4 जा 12, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12, 3 3 जा 9, 17/12, 1 whole 5/12. Second, subtracting. Subtract. अगर हम इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं देन क्या? 3/4 - 2/3, 12, और 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12, 4 2 जा 8, 1/12. और अगर इसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं? मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, देन व्हाट? 3/4 into 2/3, 3 3 cancel, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 1/2. Or we can also write 3 2 जा 6, 4 3 जा 12, 6/12, and then after it is in स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. तब उसके बाद भी हम लोग कटा सकते थे और नहीं भी कटा सकते हैं. 4 डिवीजन. 3/4 divided by 2/3. देन 3/4 और डिवाइड का क्या हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, इसका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई, और उसके बाद वाला नंबर क्या होते हैं, रेसिप्रोकल हो जाते हैं, यानी 3/2 हो जाएगा। अब ये न्यूमरेटर से डिनोमिनेटर कोई भी कैंसिल नहीं हो रहा है, तो ऊपर ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 3 3 जा 9 और 4 2 जा 8 और तब 1 होल 1/8, ये हमारा आंसर हो गया। सो स्टूडेंट, नाउ टुडे वी हैव डिस्कस these topics and I hope you are understand it. So मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। हैव ए नाइस डे। थैंक यू।